Here's exactly how to completely screw up your ads campaign. My name is Sarah May Ives, and I'm an ads manager, and I've also trained hundreds of successful ads managers as well, and we troubleshoot so many campaigns on a daily basis. Here's the reality. If you want to screw up your ad campaigns, the most common mistake, the easiest way to do it, is to make changes too quickly. In fact, the very best way to let your campaigns actually work is to give them the space and the time to do so. A lot of times I will have people hop on the phone with me and say like, hey, I've been running the ads for 2 days, $30 a day. We spent $60 and we didn't get any results. I turned off this ad and I turned off, like, no, just let it spend, wait. So just try waiting. Don't be too tappy with the keys. In fact, the common rule of thumb is to let each ad spend 2 to 3 times what you would hope to see for a conversion. So if you're running a campaign and you're hoping to get $50 call bookings, let your ads, each ad spend around 2 to 3 times that. So minimum, let the ad run to spending $100 to $120. And if it hasn't gotten a result, then turn it off. And this is the step-by-step process that you can do to allow your campaigns to spend more money, to spend more evenly, and then to only make informed decisions, okay? So hope that helps.